How to use apple cider vinegar for kidney detox. Caring for kidney health is essential for maintaining overall vitality. Many people turn to apple cider vinegar for kidney detox because of its natural cleansing properties. Its acetic acid, enzymes, and antioxidants may help reduce mineral buildup, support urine flow, and promote a balanced internal environment. Do you want to repair your kidneys and improve your kidney function naturally? Learn the steps to lower creatinine levels and boost glomerular filtration rate. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. 1. Start with diluted apple cider vinegar. Mix 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar into a full glass of warm water. Dilution protects the stomach and ensures gentle detox support. 2. Drink apple cider vinegar in the morning. Taking diluted apple cider vinegar on an empty stomach may stimulate mild cleansing. This simple routine encourages the kidneys to flush out waste more effectively. 3. Add apple cider vinegar to herbal teas. Combine apple cider vinegar with teas like parsley, dandelion, or nettle. These herbs naturally support urine flow and amplify detox benefits. 4. Use apple cider vinegar before meals. Drinking a small amount of diluted apple cider vinegar before meals may help improve digestion. Better digestion reduces the metabolic load on the kidneys. 5. Try a detox tonic. Create a simple tonic using apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, and honey. This blend provides antioxidants that may help protect kidney tissue from oxidative stress. 6. Pair apple cider vinegar with kidney-friendly foods. Using apple cider vinegar as a salad dressing on leafy greens, cucumbers, or berries adds extra cleansing support while lowering inflammation in the body. 7. Increase water intake. Hydration is crucial when using apple cider vinegar. Adequate water helps the kidneys flush dissolved waste and maintain mineral balance. 8. Watch your body's response. If you experience discomfort, acidity, or unusual symptoms, reduce or stop apple cider vinegar use. People with kidney disease should always check with a healthcare provider. 9. Use raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. Choose apple cider vinegar that contains the mother. This ensures the highest amount of enzymes and natural compounds. Incorporating apple cider vinegar into daily habits can offer gentle and natural detox support for the kidneys. When used safely, alongside proper hydration and nourishing foods, it may help maintain long-term kidney wellness. Consistency, moderation, and careful observation make apple cider vinegar a valuable addition to a kidney-supportive lifestyle. Do you want to repair your kidneys and improve your kidney function naturally? Learn the steps to lower creatinine levels and boost glomerular filtration rate. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.